everybody, Justine from Art Behaviour, and welcome to our emotions and tool sets that can help bring a bit of clarity for you when you're trying to process and understand certain things. So what we get asked here is, when you feel put down or not appreciated, why does it affect me so? And this is a really insightful understanding to kind of dig deep into what's going on in your mind. Now, when you feel put down, it's because you're only seeing one side. So one side as in you're focusing on that person who is bringing up some areas for you to be ready to love and address in yourself. And they've brought up a trigger in you to see some parts where you're not kind of connected to yourself. So let's explore that deeper. When you don't feel appreciated, it's because, and how's that, the confirmation of the light going on and off, turning on and off. We have come from a childhood of emotions where we have experienced in our perceptions rejection and criticism, and we've had this growing up as children. So we've got kind of like a whole box full of these notes and memories that have collected in our mind and we've stored at the back of our mind. So when we have somebody come and in our perception bring up one of those memories in those boxes, we pull that file out and we go, I've been hurt here, so therefore I'm going to respond and react the way that I felt that I could not when I was younger. And you're going to either lash out and what we call into fight or flight mode, or go within and then complain and say, this is unfair and nobody likes me and I'm not going to do anything, I'm just going to avoid it. So it's very important to be aware of those emotions and realize that when you're feeling put down and not appreciated, it's because that's first of all memory being popped up there. And the other thing that you're not seeing is that in a moment, whenever somebody is putting us down or rejecting us, somebody is lifting us up and appreciating us at the same time. We can never not have the two work together. And if you want to explore this a lot more, which I highly recommend, you go and watch Dr. John DeMartini on his YouTube videos and look up rejection and criticism. There he explains a lot more about what this means and how you can really have a bit of a deeper understanding. Now, when you also don't feel appreciated and put down, a lot of what John talks about is he says, so what life skill has this helped you build? How has this helped you maybe possibly build a bit more independence, maybe making changes, maybe finding more solutions? What has this brought into your world that's helped you maybe stand up and be a bit more authentic in yourself so that you can actually do different things? If it means having more authentic connection in your relationships, that can also play a part to play, because it's bringing things together and aligning things with people that you want in your area, but also helping you take a bit of accountability and responsibility where you yourself have not shown appreciation to other people, because we're human, we do it all the time. Even when I'm driving and I get irritated, my daughter turns around to me and says, Mom, you've done this sometime, somewhere, some space at some point. And she's 100% right. So remembering that when we're putting somebody in the pit, we're also putting someone on the pedestal at the same time.